we're doing a basic Fusion tutorial on sketches and extrusions. First, you're going to want to start by going into document settings, clicking on your units here, and then you're going to want to go over to the right side of the screen and select millimeters and grams. Then click set to default and click OK. If it's already set to millimeters and grams, do not touch it. Leave it as is. Next, you're going to want to go up to the top left of your screen and to create sketch. By clicking this, you're allowed to draw a sketch on the ground or walls of your plane. Click the bottom axis and go into 2-point rectangle at the top left. Then create a 50 by 50 millimeter square. After you have done this, create another 40 by 40 millimeter square inside of the 50 by 50 millimeter square. This should end up looking like this. When this is finished, click Finish Sketch. Next, go to the top left and click on Extrude. Start by extruding the bottom of your box to 0.5 as shown on screen. Then click OK. You will see that your other sketch has went away when you've done this. To get this back, click on the drop down box in sketches, then click on the eye to show your sketch again. Then click on your outer ring and extrude as shown on screen to 40 millimeters. Once this is done, you are complete for now. To make sure you have the right dimensions, you can check as shown on screen. You should have 40 millimeters of height, 50 millimeters of width in both directions. When this is finished, go to save, name basic box, then hit OK. And that concludes the first episode of Basic Fusion 360. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more Fusion 360 tutorials.